Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to issue refund on PayPal. When people sell products or receive payments online, there may be situations where they need to return the money to the buyers. For example, a customer might cancel an order, return a product, or report that they were charged by mistake, and in this case, issuing a refund is the best way to maintain trust and provide good customer service. And PayPal makes the refund process simple. Sellers can refund a payment directly from their transaction history, allowing the money to be sent back to the original payment method. So first, what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down PayPal.com and enter it. And over here, once you get into this interface of the PayPal, on the top you can find to this activity. You need to go to this activity here, and under this activity you'll find your transaction history. You need to navigate if there's any of the payment has been held and scroll to the list or use the search feature to find the transaction you want to refund. And once you find it, you need to open to the transaction payment details and select the refund option and also enter the refund amount. And PayPal allows you to issue either a full refund or a partial refund. And issuing a refund on PayPal is a straightforward process that can be done through the activity or the transaction history section. By selecting the payment, choosing the refund option, entering the amount, and confirming the request, you can quickly issue to the refund on PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.